Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a beard. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our beard, we're going to begin with the mustache. I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, then it's going to go down and up like this. Now I want to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to make a line that's going to come up, it's going to come down, and it's going to curve around here. Next, we're going to start here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to start coming up right up to where that spot gets low on the mustache. Then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come up here and connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just curves down and up. And then I want to make my beard. Now, there's lots of different ways to make beards. I'm just going to show you a very simple way. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that just comes down, and then it's going to go up. Let's do that again. We're going to go down to a point, and then we're going to come up. You're going to keep doing this all the way down until you decide how big you want your beard. Then, once you've finished that, you're going to make another nice big point. And we're going to make some more little points. We're just going to go up and down, up and down. And you do not have to have the same amount of points on both sides. You can have them different. That's what makes it look a little more interesting. Now, once you have your little lines on here, your little points, what I like to do is I start at each point, I'm going to add a little extra line. So here's a little point. I'm just going to add a line. Here's another one. And I'm just going to do this all the way around here. And this just makes it look a little bit more interesting. I'll add a couple little points down here. You can also do some of these little points up here by where the mouth is. And then I'm going to add a few little extra lines right here onto my mustache as well. Just some quick little lines on here just to add some extra detail. And then there you go, there is your beard. Now, if you drew it nice and big, what you can do is you could always take this, draw it out, add some color to it, then you can cut out the whole beard and even cut out this little part here, and then you can walk around and wear this as a mustache. Or some people could even tape it to like a straw or a popsicle stick, and then that way you could definitely walk around with it and hold it up in front of you. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.